The king of SUVs is back, and the 2026 Toyota Fortuner Legender Modelista looks absolutely insane. This is not just another Fortuner. Toyota has transformed its legendary SUV into a luxury beast with aggressive Modelista styling, futuristic technology, premium comfort, and unstoppable off-road power. From city streets to mountain trails, this SUV is built to dominate everywhere. Welcome back to Auto Drive Reviews, and today we take a full detailed look at the all-new Toyota Fortuner Legender Modelista 2026. The new Fortuner Legender Modelista immediately grabs attention with its bold and commanding road presence. Toyota has redesigned the SUV with sharper body lines, a wider stance, and more aggressive styling elements that make it look far more premium than before. At the front, the SUV features sleek quad LED projector headlamps, connected daytime running lights, and a massive gloss black grille that gives the vehicle a futuristic appearance. The Modelista body kit completely changes the personality of the Fortuner by adding sporty bumpers, aerodynamic splitters, chrome accents, and exclusive design details that create a high-performance luxury SUV look. The front fascia feels inspired by high-end luxury SUVs, while still maintaining the tough, rugged identity that made the Fortuner famous around the world. The hood looks more muscular, the bumper design appears more aggressive, and the LED lighting creates a stunning visual effect during nighttime driving. Toyota clearly wanted this SUV to stand out, and the result is one of the boldest Fortuner designs ever created. Moving to the side profile, the 2026 Fortuner Legender Modelista looks even more athletic and premium. Large wheel arches, bold shoulder lines, and sharp character cuts give the SUV a powerful stance. The Modelista package introduces exclusive dual-tone alloy wheels, sporty side skirts, chrome trim, and blacked-out roof pillars that create a floating roof design. Every detail on the side profile feels carefully designed to enhance both aerodynamics and visual appeal. The Fortuner remains large, practical, and commanding, which is one of the biggest reasons behind its popularity. Drivers love the high seating position, strong road presence, and confidence this SUV delivers on every road. Whether parked outside a luxury hotel or driving through rough off-road terrain, the Fortuner always looks powerful and expensive. At the rear, Toyota has introduced connected LED taillights with dynamic lighting signatures, giving the SUV a modern, futuristic appearance. The redesigned bumper features sporty gloss black inserts, integrated reflectors, and premium chrome detailing, while the roof spoiler adds a performance-inspired touch. The tailgate design looks cleaner, more sophisticated, and more premium than previous generations. Step inside, and the cabin immediately feels luxurious, modern, and technology-focused. Toyota has completely upgraded the interior quality using soft-touch materials, premium leather finishes, contrast stitching, and ambient lighting throughout the cabin. The dashboard design looks far more advanced, with cleaner lines, a larger digital display, and improved ergonomics. The biggest highlight inside the cabin is the massive floating infotainment system positioned at the center of the dashboard. The new system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, voice control, connected car technology, and over-the-air updates. The graphics are sharper, the interface is faster, and the overall experience feels more premium than ever before. Drivers also get a fully digital instrument cluster that displays navigation maps, off-road data, fuel economy information, safety alerts, and customizable driving themes. Toyota has focused heavily on improving the digital experience inside the Fortuner, making it feel like a true next-generation SUV. The steering wheel receives leather wrapping, metallic accents, and multi-function controls, while paddle shifters behind the wheel add a sporty driving feel. The front seats are wide, supportive, and extremely comfortable, especially for long-distance journeys. Higher variants offer ventilated seats, electric adjustments, memory functions, and premium cushioning that improve comfort even further. Rear passengers enjoy excellent legroom, rear AC vents, USB charging ports, and soft, comfortable seating.
Toyota continues offering third-row seats, making the Fortuner ideal for large families, road trips, and adventure travel. The panoramic sunroof fills the cabin with natural light, creating a more open, luxurious atmosphere. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Fortuner Legender Modelista continues with Toyota's legendary 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine, producing approximately 201 horsepower and massive torque output. This engine is known for durability, reliability, and strong pulling power, which makes the Fortuner excellent for both city driving and off-road adventures. The 6-speed automatic transmission delivers smooth gear shifts, improved refinement, and better fuel efficiency. Acceleration feels powerful, especially in mid-range performance, where the turbo diesel torque becomes most noticeable. Highway overtaking feels effortless, and the SUV remains stable and comfortable even at high speeds. Toyota has also improved ride quality for the 2026 model. The suspension system has been retuned to provide better comfort, stability, and handling, while still maintaining the rugged ladder frame chassis required for serious off-road driving. The Fortuner now feels smoother, quieter, and more refined compared to older generations.
Off-road capability remains one of the biggest strengths of the Fortuner. The advanced four-wheel drive system, terrain management modes, hill descent control, traction control, and differential systems allow the SUV to handle mud, sand, rocks, steep hills, and rough terrain with confidence. This SUV is built for adventure, and few competitors can match its balance of luxury and off-road toughness. Toyota engineers understand that Fortuner buyers expect durability and real-world performance. That is why the SUV continues using a proven body-on-frame construction capable of handling extreme conditions without compromise. Across many countries, the Fortuner is trusted by families, travelers, business owners, and off-road enthusiasts because of its legendary reliability. Safety technology receives a major upgrade in the 2026 model. Toyota Safety Sense includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, rear cross traffic alert, and traffic sign recognition. These advanced systems make the SUV safer and more convenient for daily driving and long highway journeys. Parking a large SUV becomes easier thanks to the addition of 360-degree cameras, front and rear sensors, and improved visibility systems. Higher trims may even introduce semi-autonomous highway assistance, allowing the Fortuner to feel more futuristic and advanced. Fuel efficiency has also improved thanks to aerodynamic enhancements, engine tuning, and lighter materials. Toyota may also introduce mild hybrid assistance in selected markets, helping improve efficiency without sacrificing off-road capability or towing performance. One of the biggest reasons behind the Fortuner's success is resale value. Toyota vehicles, especially the Fortuner, maintain excellent resale prices because buyers trust their durability, reliability,